of Association Maonak for Human Rights and Immigration, seat number 2532.
Your Excellency, Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, I address you today on behalf of our Network for Human Rights and Migration, which enjoys consultative status at the ECOSOC, to highlight the most serious violations facing the youth in Yemen by the conflicting parties, whether the Houthis or security forces of the government. These parties are committing serious violations and destroying the future of youth. The Houthi militias last month have committed monstrous crimes against youth in the Bayda Governorate and have launched a military campaign leading to the death of hundreds of children and youth in cold blood, in a serious violation. And during the last 2 days, 2 young men were killed, Isa Rashid and Majid Al-Ami, at the hands of the security forces. They have been targeted without legal process, which is a continuation of judicial practices. These crimes and violations against the Yemeni youth is a risk of death by the different authorities who could neglect completely human rights. In addition, recruitment continues. The Houthi militia continue to recruit children and use them in military campaigns and exposing them to death and permanent injuries. Also, peaceful protesters are frequently detained. In addition, economic deterioration, poverty, and unemployment lead to destroyed futures, and also the politicization of humanitarian assistance has deprived youth from services. The legitimate government is failing to provide the support necessary because of corruption. Our recommendations include the following: to condemn all violations against the youth in Yemen, whether by the Houthis or the regular forces, and investigating the killings of young men, specifically the 2 young men mentioned. In addition, and condemning and investigating the crimes, whoever the perpetrators, and guaranteeing humanitarian access without politicization. Yemen needs sustainable solutions, but they will not be effective unless accountability finds its course. And thank you very much.
Je remercie.
Thank you to the distinguished representative of the Manhwana Association for Human Rights and Immigration.